In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Placeit to do t-shirt videos for places like Pinterest and other social media accounts. Let's go. Thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Juna with Detour Shirts. I've been designing and selling t-shirts online since 2005, and in this video, I want to show you how to use an app called Placeit. I did a video recently, this one right here, on how to do Pinterest pins, and one of the pins that I did was a video pin. Now you can do this using Placeit, and a lot of you asked to do this video, or for me to do this video to show you step by step on how to use Placeit. That's what this video is about. I'm going to show you how to use Placeit for videos as well as mock-ups. We're going to use some of the same kind of ideas for the mock-ups for the videos. So it's the same size. I'm going to show you how to size it right, and I'll show you how to make it step by step. You can easily follow along. Now there's only one free video on there. If you're not a member, you're going to have to sign up to use all the other ones, but you can use the free account to just try this one, and I'll show you which one it is and how to find it. And if you do like it, you're going to have to pay a monthly fee to use all the different videos, but there's lots of places you can use videos. And with TikTok being so popular right now and the short form videos being very popular, I think this could really help you if you're going to do these for social media accounts like TikTok and Pinterest. And you know, you got reels on Instagram and you got shorts on YouTube and all this stuff. So short form video is really something cool right now and hot right now, so you can use it for that, as well as ads on Amazon. So sometimes you can put videos on Amazon as well to sell your t-shirt. So a lot of good things. And they don't just do videos on Placeit, they do lots of other stuff. I'm going to show you some of the other stuff that they do on there too. So it's a great deal. If you decide to do video, you get all this other bonus stuff. So without any further ado, let me go to Placeit and show you exactly how to do this. So here we are on placeit.net right there. That's how you find it. And this is the place that I use personally for mock-ups for t-shirts. You may have seen my Instagram have t-shirts like this, where they're mock-ups, nice square ones that I put on there, and then I just put my logo on the t-shirt. Now I'm gonna do it for video, but you're gonna do it exactly the same way for these. So there's a certain size that Placeit uses, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna show you how to do that in Canva, but you could do the certain size in Affinity Designer or whatever it is. But before we do that, just look how many things are on here for Placeit. So we got the mock-ups, we got designs. You can use this for t-shirt designs as well. They also have logos that you can kind of use for t-shirt designs, but you can manipulate them and change them a little bit. There's also videos is what I'm going to show you. We got gaming stuff as well, which is really huge. We know video gaming is a big niche, especially in print on demand on Amazon. So this is great for that too. And they also teach you how to design and market and do all that kind of stuff. So Placeit 101, if you don't know how to use it, there's tutorials here and everything. So very cool. I use it personally, like I said, and the pricing is right here. If we scroll down, you can see it starts at $7.47. So if you do want to do it after this tutorial, if you find out that this is something that you really want to do, you can do it here. I'll put a link in the description as well, so you can see it's going to be an affiliate link. So if you want to help me out, you can do that for Placeit. But let me show you how this works. First thing you're going to do, you'll need to sign up for a free account. So just go here, and then you're going to have to create an account. It's just your name and password, but it's going to make it so that you can use Placeit. So they do have an account, but it's absolutely free. This is their free account, and you can try their things, right? So that they can download and send it to your email, your downloads and things like that. So, and then I'm going to log in here later on so that you can see how many things you can actually use when you're signed up. But first, let's do the video. So I'm going to do free video like this, mock-ups right here. And then it'll show you, I thought there was just one, but there's one vertical and one horizontal. So there's actually two for free. This one's not a video, and I believe these are just plain. Oh, this is a video. I guess this is another one. It's kind of creepy. So there's three. And then this is kind of a video. This would be a cool one for TikTok with some music. So when I thought there was one, there's actually a lot more for free. So you can try all of these for free, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's pick this one right here, which is the one I thought was the only one for free. And the first thing you're gonna do is gonna insert an image. So it's gonna pull everything up with the video. You can kind of see a preview of it. It's like someone sitting in a bus or something. So like maybe for a bus driver or something like that. And then you can see here, insert image. So click on here and you're gonna see that the size you need is 750 pixels by 1200 pixels. Now this is really important. This is the size for all of them. So this is the size for video as well as mockups. So let's use that 750 by 1200. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Canva and show you a design I made in Canva at 4500 by 5400, and I'm going to show you how to size it down really easy in Canva. Now you could use Affinity Designer or whatever app you're using, just make sure you size it down to this size, otherwise it's not going to work out. So let's go to Canva right now, just really quickly so I can show you how to size it down. So here I am on Canva, canva.com. I made a few t-shirt designs on here. I have a lot of them actually. So let's click on here. You can see this one's 4500 by 5400. I'm going to open it up. And I'm just going to copy everything. So I'm going to scroll like this with my mouse and hit Command C like that. And then I'm going to start a new one. So let's go back to home and I'll create a new design, custom size. Remember it's 750 by tab 1200, right? 750 by 1200 and hit create new design. And we're just going to hit V, Command V here. And you can see it instantly fits to this size, right? So now what I'm gonna do is we don't need to put the background anymore. Let's just click here and download. So if you don't have Canva Pro, which I do, you're gonna have to be able to knock this background out. So hopefully you already have your background. Another thing you could do is if you have a design that you already made with the background knocked out, you could just drag it in here and put it in here so you don't have to knock it out again. But I'm going to download this one. I have my transparent background because I'm a pro version of Canva. If you don't have Canva, I have a link to that in the description as well. I'm going to download this. Now that it's going to be 750 by 1200, I'm going to bring it back into Placeit. So right here, I'm going to do upload from my device, right? I'm here. I'm going to go to my downloads folder. And this is the design I just downloaded. And you can see it fits perfectly now. I'm going to crop it. And while it's cropping, it's thinking about how to do it. It's going to pull up it and put it on the t-shirt. Now we're going to be able to click the color or shirt color right here. It doesn't look good on white, but it does look good on black. So I'm going to pick black here. And it's going to load it. And there you go. That's the video. We can play a preview of it. Here we can play all sides. We can add more to this video as well. So if you kind of want to stack the videos, you can do that. And you can add audio. So this is something really cool as well. You can pick audio right here and we can play some of these things. What I would do, because it's a 90s design, is I would find something that matches it. So maybe some club music or something like that. I'll go here. And then I'll play one of these things so you can listen to it. Let's see if there's anything, disco. Disco ain't old school. So I'll play that. And then you can hear that. And this is what it sounds like. And then we'll stop that. So we can put that music inside. So let's pick that, select that. And now when we play this video, let's see, play a preview of it. So it's going to take a little while to process. So I'm going to skip through the processing part and I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. So here's the full video with the music. You can see how it works there. And if you want to download that, you just hit free download full video. So of course it's going to ask you if you want to do a subscription, but if not, you can do the free download. And if you haven't signed up yet, it's going to ask you to sign in, right? So I'm going to sign in and I'll show you what happens after that. So after you sign in, you'll see this free download button. So let's click it here. And you're going to see, please wait. This works as well for the mockups. So the flat t-shirt mockups will also show this. It's going to process. It's going to take a little longer to process a video than a t-shirt, a flat photo t-shirt, but it's going to go here to my downloads. they're going to send you an email as well as right here. So once it shows up here, you'll be able to download it. So you can go to your downloads. You can see it's still processing because it's a video. So when it's done and if you're still on Placeit, it will show it right here to click to download. Now this will download to your downloads folder, or if you've gone away from Placeit, it will also send you an email and you can download it from the email. So I'll show you how to do it from here. You can see it's downloading right here. So once you've downloaded it, it will be in your downloads folder. You can see it's kind of big, 11 megs, but I'm gonna open it up here and you can see it's a really good size and you can play it again. Let's play it right here. You can see pretty good video, and this is for free, guys. This one's for free. So you can put this on places like Pinterest, or this could be an ad on Amazon or whatever it is, kind of advertising your t-shirt. Now I want to show you, now that I have Placeit, that I signed into Placeit, I'm going to show you all the videos. Let me just type in t-shirt videos, not free. Take a look at how many videos they have. So if you signed up for $7, whatever it is a month, you can have videos every day for over a year. Check this out. All of these are videos and they work the same way. You just have to use that 750 by 1200. And you can see all of these. If you hover over them, they can show you what the video, kind of a preview of what the videos are. And look at that, 26 pages of videos. So tons of them on here. So if you really want to get into the video space with your t-shirts and use this, you know, like I said, like on TikTok or any of the places that do video, most of them are tall, so they fit like the reels, the TikTok, stuff like that. But you also got horizontal that can work for other things too. So have fun with this. Some of them are very creative. Some of them, you know, have this kind of thing on it. Look at that. That one's pretty cool, right? Some of them are very different. So I would say scroll over all of these and see if you like them before you buy, before you sign up. See if you would use any of these videos. And this is just the videos. So I think even if you just use this for videos, the $7 would be worth it. But you can see there's some really cool ones, and they keep adding more and more every time. And this is, like I said, just one of the many things that they do here. You got mock-ups, just regular flat mock-ups that aren't videos. You got designs that you can use. If we click here, you know, some design, t-shirt designs. You can't use it just like this, but this can be a great template for starting points. So if you want to maybe use that design but change the words, or change the colors and do that, so you could do that. And as well as logos, you can see if you're doing one, you can create a logo and stuff. So I'm not going to show you how to do all of this. And let me know if you want to learn how to do every single one of these. I can do a separate video for it, but today was just about videos. You can see how easy it was to make a video and how many other cool stuff. You also have intro videos if you're doing YouTube, slideshow videos, Instagram, and promos. So lots of different other videos that you could do as well. So lots to learn here on Placeit. Like I said, I use it personally for mock-ups. I've been using it for well over 2 years on Instagram, and I use it all the time, so it really helps with that. And you can use these mock-ups for stuff like Etsy as well as your own store and stuff like that. So have fun with this. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you. Now you know how to use Placeit, just really easy. The hardest thing is to get it that right size, that 750 by 1200. But once you get that, you just put that your design into it. Make sure you have a transparent background. Make sure the background is out, but that's what you have to do for print on demand anyway, so you just have to size it down. So hopefully this was really helpful for you, and now you can go make some videos and put it on social media. So that is it for this video. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to this channel already, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there. I got lots more videos for you in the future on how to learn to do print on demand stuff and make some money online. The question of the day for this video is, what would you use these videos for? Let me know that in the comment. Would you use it for Pinterest or TikTok or Instagram? I'd love to hear what you would use these videos for if you have any idea. Thanks again for watching, and if you want to see more videos on how to do stuff, make sure to click on these videos right here. And as always guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.